Norm Rosen from RV Lifestyle Magazine and RV Dealer News. I'm with Tim Beal. Tim is with WOW, the water-on-water reverse osmosis filter system. This is the type of device that you want to put onto your RV or your boat so that when you venture into an unfamiliar area, you can be assured that what you get out of the kitchen faucet is drinking water that is safe, doesn't smell bad, tastes great, and this is new technology, and I'm going to ask Tim if he could explain to us briefly exactly how this system works. Tim, take it away.
Thank you, Norm, and welcome to the show. This is our first time exhibiting here at the NTP Stag Show in Anaheim, California, and they were gracious enough to give us an invitation to come in and show the latest in water technology. This is a drinking water system that was specifically designed for the RVer or marine person. And this is a piece of equipment that gives you a lot better than tap water, let me tell you. Your favorite bottled waters out there, I'm going to go ahead and throw out a couple of brands, like maybe Costco brand, which is put out by Kirkland. And that is a reverse osmosis taste profile. This is all of that water you can get without the plastic bottles being thrown away. Or your other brands, like by Coke and Pepsi, would be Aquafina and or Dasani. All of those are reverse osmosis brands. A lot of your 5-gallon delivered bottled waters in the home or in the office are reverse osmosis. So here we have a very compact reverse osmosis system. It has the equal volume of stored water ready to dispense that you would find at a traditional store like Costco or Canadian Tire or Denard's or Home Depot or any of those other stores that are selling home reverse osmosis systems. Unfortunately, they will not operate properly or effectively in an RV or a boat where there's 12-volt service. Now, and the reason why is that those units do waste a significant amount of water, which would overpopulate the gray tank of your RV.
Yes, those units would do approximately 15 times the amount of waste for every 1 unit of water that you use.
Correct.
So if you're using 1 liter of clean water out of the traditional reverse osmosis systems, you are essentially putting 15 liters into your gray water tank. But this is closer to two units for every 1 unit that you use.
Correct. That's correct. Also a higher quality of water. This system also operates with significantly less operating pressure than the traditional air captive system that has been around since 1969. So we're in half the space, yet we store and deliver the equal volume of water as our competitors in twice the space. We operate at 20 pounds pressure, where their minimum operating pressure is 45 pounds, so that's barely operational in an RV. Plus, they take longer to fill up the storage reservoir, burning up your battery life upwards of 4 hours of pump time, where we're filling up and shutting the system off and preserving those batteries within about 35 to 40 minutes under normal operating conditions. But what you're going to end up getting out of this is, no matter where you go, one of the first items that I'm an RVer, I've been an RVer my entire life, and one of the first items that I throw on board is a couple of cases of water, because I have no idea what water quality is going to be in that park or on board.
Exactly.
So now that really doesn't matter if I'm plugging in somewhere, and if it's well water or if it's city water of an unknown quality to me, I'm assured I've got protection from tap to glass right here with this little tiny compact unit that will go underneath the kitchen counter, or you can place it in the basement of your Class A RV and plumb several lines and several outlets within the coach. So this is a perfect product for an RV system.
And Tim, what would the RV or the marine enthusiast expect to pay retail for a unit like this? Now, you could give me US dollars if you like, or if you have any idea what the Canadian dollars would be. US is fine. We convert. We know how to do this.
You do? You guys can add up there in Canada?
Oh, we could do a lot. We do a lot more than that. We could multiply up here in
I'll
Canada.
bet you do.
What would the U.S. Retail value of this
The
be?
U.S. retail value of this is between $535 and $550, and this will be a nationally advertised campaign and a campaign price, not only in the RV industry, but it's going out to plumbing wholesalers across America as well.
Excellent.
And we do have some online activity that's taking place at these prices, so your watchers here will be able to see this. An even price across the board at about that $535 price.
And
that's not installed. That's uninstalled.
Not installed, of course. Is this anywhere within the do-it-yourself installation realm?
For the most part, it is. There's 3 connections. You have a feed water line that adapts off a normal angle stop underneath the kitchen counter of an RV and or in your home. We have a drain clamp that clamps onto your plastic or brass piping underneath, and it's a real simple and very effective tool. You got to drill a hole through it, and then that taps into your drain. And then of course you have to pop a hole through the kitchen sink and mount a dedicated faucet for the machine, so anybody with a drill and can turn a nut or a bolt with a wrench can pretty much do it yourself. It's a do it yourself.
Or your RV service department could do this for you quite easily.
Correct.
Any idea when we'll be able to see these available for sale in Canada?
Real soon. We've got them here at the show, and we're shipping on Monday, so that's in 7 days. We've got inventory in stock, and we're ready to go.
Perfect. So for the spring and summer RV season and boating season, this is where you get your fresh water.
Absolutely.
Perfect.
Thank you so much, Norm.
Tim, thank you very much.
You bet.
That's quite a fascinating product, and
Thank
this
you.
is something that the Canadian audience has been waiting for a long, long time.
Yes, they have. I'm sure.
Stand by for some more fascinating new products from the NTP Stag Distributor Show in Anaheim, California in the end of January 2017.